Finding the courage to change. Speaking constructively. Many have fallen by the edge of the sword, but more have fallen by the tongue. This quote from Ecclesiasticus 28:18 is a humbling reminder of the many times that I have hurt myself by speaking in anger or impatience. Words can have multiple meanings. Sometimes we have an emotional hook that gets triggered by a word. These hooks can be innocently activated by someone who doesn't have the same emotional trigger attached to that word. A former partner found my use of the word appreciate to be rude and condescending. I thought I was being extra polite. I was completely unaware of the damage that this word was doing to our relationship. The problem is often my tone of voice. My emotions of anger, frustration, or impatience undercut my efforts to be polite. When I'm impatient, my words might be polite, but my tone is frequently not. So, of course, I sound condescending. With my partner, I probably said, I would really appreciate it if, with some frustration. That set the emotional hook. Forever after, I rubbed him the wrong way when I said, I really appreciate your help. I had no idea that he was seething inside. I only discovered this was irritating to him from a third party. Long after my frustration is gone, the pain of my judgment and negativity can have a powerful hidden impact. By noticing how I feel before I speak, I can try to prevent this type of damage. When I'm judging another, it's time to put myself into a timeout. When I'm calm, I will be able to speak constructively.